There is a saying in Igbo land which says, Ekwe na-akpọ onye ka o si eme, meaning the way one is being talked about, honored, and respected in the society is measured by the way he does, the life he influences positively, his contributions in the community. Another adage says, Mba ama onye ukwu, meaning the worth of a man is not known in a strange land. On this note, I bring to you an icon, a treasure, beacon, landmark, the moon, the light that illuminates darkness in Umuchu, the hope of the downtrodden, the human capital developer, an illustrious son of Umuchu, a philanthropist sent by God to bring joy to his people in Umuchu. Ikenga of Umuchu, Chief Mr. Abraham Ikechukwu Otti. Chief Mr. Abraham Ikechukwu Otti, a native of Umuchu, born on the 4th of May 1973, to the family of Mr. and Mrs. Stephen Otti, Olonye nwere n'Umuchu, and Mrs. Josephine Otti Ugodinyere, in Agwata local government area of Anambra State. Chief Abraham Otti is happily married to his amiable wife, Mrs. Chika Kalista Otti, and are blessed with 4 children. He attended his primary and secondary school in Umuchu before proceeding to look for a greener pasture outside his land of nativity, Umuchu. Chief Abraham Ikechukwu Otti started his life journey as an apprentice under Chief Tony Emenike and Brothers before ascending to the position of a director in Allied Victory Nigeria Limited and Sifaco Construction Limited, where he played a pivotal role as a major dealer and importer in the oil, gas, chemical, and petrochemical industries, being the authorized agent and the representative to esteemed companies facilitating the supply of various goods and technologies. With the grace of God, which was conspicuous in the life of Abraham Ikechukwu Otti, he was able to advance and grow in business, both in strategic planning, business execution, and building robust relationships within the industry, with his wealth experiences, both in steering and the managing of oil and gas services. At this level, Chief Abraham Ikechukwu Otti, popularly known as Mighty Mighty, was a song in and around Umuchu town by both men, women, children, and strangers, based on his unparalleled heart of generosity. He dedicated his life and substance to the development and transformation of Umuchu in whole. He supported and uplifted his community Umuchu town with the generational wealth which God entrusted in his hand. Mighty Mighty, as is fondly called by his people, implemented a transformative initiative whereby he installed modern street lights across key areas in Umuchu. The street lights does not only brighten the pathways in the villages, but also ensures greater safety and a vibrant atmosphere after sundown. With the street lights, movement during night hours was made easy and fostered a sense of security. Mighty Mighty did not stop his kind gesture to Ndi Umuchu at this level, but also embarked on the construction of new roads in Umuchu, both in the major roads and in the interior communities of Umuchu, displaying an unwavering commitment to the town's advancement and development. The newly constructed roads have helped the villagers to connect to the major roads at ease and have also reduced the cost of transportation, which was on a high side prior to the time of the construction of the roads. Chief Ikechukwu Abraham Otti is indeed a philanthropist, a gift from God to Ndi Umuchu. He single-handedly built and equipped Holy Trinity Anglican Church Umuchu in a remarkable act of singular generosity and dedication to the upliftment of Umuchu. He undertook the entire construction and equipping of Holy Trinity Anglican Church Umuchu. This act has not only made him stand tall in the community, but also stands as a testament to his profound dedication to community development. One would at this juncture be imagining who this Messiah is. Mighty Mighty is a colloquial name encompassed with love, enduring compassion for humanity, especially to his people in Umuchu. He embarked on a mission of providing and raising a shelter to about 10 families cut across all the villages in Umuchu, an act that defines the intent and the thought of his heart towards his fellow mankind. He is a promise of God to Umuchu, a man with a heart of compassion, like Jesus Christ in the Bible, who went about setting the captives free, healing the sick, preaching the acceptable day of the Lord to the poor. Mighty went about the villages of Umuchu, giving hope to ndị ụwa na-atụ n'ọnụ, na-enye ụmụ ogbenye nkasi obi, nakwa ndị di ha nwụrụ. These 10 houses were constructed and equipped with every family need, like mattresses, electrical appliances, cooking utensils, mobile phones, to enable the family members to connect to the society like every other individuals. And he handed the key of the houses to the beneficiaries. The beneficiaries of the 10 houses built by Mighty includes Mrs. Benedict Ezenwaka from Ogu Village, Amanasa, Umuchu. Mrs. Priscilla Mwoka from Ugwaku Village, Umuchu. Mr. Chikeze Abazuwa from Osete Village, Umuchu. Mr. Shedrack Ofo from Ibubu, Umuchu. Mr. Okudele Nwaba from Umubilo, Amanasa, Umuchu. Mrs. Gloria Kivas Nwabo from Ozara Akukwa, Umuchu. Mrs. Nkwodema Udogo from Omugam, Umuchu. Mrs. Monica Obiesie from Achala Village, Umuchu. Mrs. Chikanne Monica from Achala Village, Umuchu. Mrs. Ozoma from Achala Village, Umuchu. Mighty is today revered and honored and respected for his heart of compassion and kindness, which rippled through Umuchu, igniting a fervor of goodwill and unity. During the Christmas celebration, Chief Ikechukwu Abraham Otti, in his quest to satisfy the needs and welfare of the people of Umuchu, especially women, children, widows, brought trailers full of bags of rice to be distributed to the widows, orphans, and the needy. Joy unspeakable was restored to many homes where there was no hope of cooking rice for the Christmas season, considering the high cost of essential commodities in the market, especially foreign rice. Chief Ikechukwu Otti has contributed a lot in the development of Umuchu and the society at large. Through his foundation, he has given a lot of empowerment to the youths. Some received cash money to start up a business of their choice. Some were given motorcycle for Okada ride. Some were given tricycle vehicle for transportation. Some scholarship to further education, and numerous impacts to the development of Umuchu, which we may not be able to mention. In a recent development, considering the generosity of Chief Ikechukwu Abraham Otti, his contributions towards the development and upliftment of Umuchu, the entire people of Umuchu have considered it worthy to bestow on him a chieftaincy investiture of Ikenga Umuchu, which is a rare title to be given to an individual. This title is a compensation to his act of benevolence to mankind. Mighty is an established man with an established business company, Allied Victory Nigeria Limited, an indigenous company set up in response to receive the needs of the people and provide prompt, efficient, and high-quality services in line with acceptable local and international standards. A company that seeks to inject creativity, excellence, and the professionalism into all sectors of industry that she is involved in. Allied Victory Nigeria Limited is established to undertake and manage all procurement, engineering, and construction activities for both public and private-owned projects. The company has grown to a highly reputable company in oil and gas industry. Because of its involvement to the e-industry and the track record, the company has gained respect and recognition from the business community. The company has also made a lot of positive contributions towards improving the quality of lives through their employment scheme. Allied Victory Nigeria Limited is a household name in oil and gas industry. Services and the operations ranges from procurement, stocking, supply, and sales of steel products. Wide range of oil and gas valve options, support services, general contracts. Companies owned by Abraham Ikechukwu Otti Afonu Mighty Umuchu includes Allied Computer Company, which deals in the sales of computer accessories and was established in the year 2002. Allied Victory Nigeria Limited, which deals in the importing and exporting of oil and gas services, procurement services, and the construction of roads, which was established in 2014. Allied Victory Nigeria Limited is a household name indeed. It renders additional services like carrying on the business of general supply, import and export services, mark distributions of general goods, general merchandising, procurement of field equipment, office equipment and furniture, interior and exterior decorations, agricultural and allied products, engaging in stock warehousing and general contracts. We equally deal on construction works, building works, electrical works, maintenance services, haulage services, automobile services, machinery tools purchasing and the sales of spare parts, equipment hiring, rent heavy duty vehicle services, environmental logistics and the control services, fumigation, bush clearing, sand filling, pollution control and spillage cleanup services. Allied Victory Nigeria is a stockist of wide range of industrial materials like hydraulic hoses and locks, shackles, marine wires and ropes, suction and discharge hoses, crossbar complex, sling saver fittings, rigging accessories, mixing shafts, hooks and swivels, chain and accessories, crossbar lifting clamps, George Taylor products, Tractel solutions, and many other products. Our products are affordable, reliable, tested, and trusted. We provide quality procurement and supply services to the oil and gas and the manufacturing industries and satisfy our clients' needs and demands. For further inquiries, you can contact us on 0803309 8858 or 08176384563 or email us on allied-o@yahoo.com or visit our head office 79 Stadium Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.